All right, so we talked earlier about the center of gravity of your map and how you plan out your training. What that goal is changes every exercise. If you're a healer, all your rebounding is soft and gentle. If you're a fighter, all your rebounding is sharp and elastic and fast. This change in the way you design your training plan decides your growth rate. If you design every exercise to reach your goal, you'll reach your goal quickly. It seems pretty obvious. So now all the exercises you've already learned, you have to contemplate, how can I adapt them to my goals? To do that, you have to define what the goal is. And most people, when they arrive here, they don't have a goal. It's, oh yeah, I'm going to do this Qigong, or I'm going to get a bit better at Tai Chi. And there's not really a definitive place they want to be as a destination from the training. Define that place. Define why you're doing this. And the clearer you are, the quicker you're going to get there. If you're kind of like, I'm not really sure or see, that will just scatter your training. It'll scatter the results of your training. You have to define, what are the body mechanics of what I'm doing? What's the astral personality in what I'm doing? And what is the mental space and timing and frequencies of focus in the mental body when you do each exercise? Because the clarity of the goal and the clarity that the achievement in each exercise are in resonance with each other. So be very clear on your destination.